Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Class 12th and subject is computer science. Today's topic is dynamic memory allocation versus deallocation, new delete operators. Let us write it as syntax for allocation using new. Syntax for allocation using new. Let's know that C++ supports dynamic memory allocation versus deallocation using new and delete operators in combination with pointers. So syntax for allocation using new, here we write pointer variable is equal to new, here we write data type. For example, integer is pointer is equal to new int. So here new will allocate a 2-byte memory. New will allocate a 2-byte memory. Two-byte memory. Dynamically, and its address will be stored in pointer. However, this memory location will be empty. We can also insert value in it, as we write here. This memory location will be empty. We can also insert value in it, or initialization. That's initialization. Here it is 2-byte. 100 is the address, and here it is point. Its syntax is written as pointer variable is equal to new data type value. For example, integer says pointer is equal to new int. For example, it is 20. We can also allocate memory for an array using new operator. Here it is 20, for example, 28 2 bytes, and this is the pointer. We can also allocate memory for any array using new operators. For that, syntax is pointer, variable, new data type, here we write size. For example, integer pointer is equal to new integer of 10. This statement creates a memory space for 10 integers and stores the base address in pointer. Syntax for deallocation using delete. Syntax for deallocation using delete. When its data object is no longer needed, it is destroyed to release the memory for reuse. Let's write here syntax. It is delete pointer variable. Example is integer pointer new int. This is allocation. And here delete pointer, this is deallocation. Similarly, for an array, we have delete, we have similarly for an array, we have this delete size pointer variable. For example, integer pointer is equal to new integer 10. Here it is delete 10 pointer. And this was about the dynamic memory allocation, new delete operators. So C++ supports dynamic memory allocation versus deallocation using new and delete operators in combination with pointers. The rest will be discussed in the next. Thanks.